Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the Next-Gen Pressure Displacement Analyzer with the FETMX8MM-C system on module. So, what is a pressure displacement analyzer? It's a device that measures how materials deform under force, analyzing things like pressure, strain, and displacement. This tool is essential in fields like material science, manufacturing, construction, and aerospace. With technology advancing and industrial standards rising, we need more accurate and reliable measuring instruments. That's where the FETMX8MM-C SoM comes in. So, what makes this solution stand out? Let's break it down. First up, powered by an NXP iMX8M mini CPU with a quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 at 1.8 GHz and 2 GB of DDR4 RAM, it processes data efficiently. It handles storage through USB interface conversion to ULPI link, storing data on TF cards or USB drives for easy processing and output. Intuitive display is key too. It supports a 4-line MIPI display, 1.5 gigabits per second, an LCD display for high-definition output. You can easily see real-time measurement results and parameters. Network transmission is facilitated through a gigabit Ethernet port, allowing for remote monitoring of screens, network backups, and system parameter restoration. Its compact size of just 56 mm by 36 mm makes it perfect for miniaturization and portability. Last, it's built to last, with a 10-year supply guarantee from NXP, and operates in extreme temperatures, -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. So, there you have it. The Pressure Displacement Profile Analyzer solution based on the FETMX8MM-C SoM. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.